Dr. Dick Peeves here from my spaceship once again. I am Dr. Dick Peeves, and today I got a fun project. Today we're going to do something fun. We're gonna make a breadboard PC. To those who don't know what a breadboard PC is, it's a computer, personal computer in the name, made out of a breadboard. What's a breadboard? It's a board, conductive board. You've seen it before, lots of holes where you can plug in, solder in discrete components to make your own personal computer. It's gonna be a fun project, so please come along with me for the ride. There's only one problem, right? I cannot get delivered anything anymore. Most likely because I've turned my driveway into an assault course against all mailmen.
We are still assessing the impact of this latest rocket attack, including determining precise attribution. Of course, they just happened over the course of last night.
So I'm gonna have to make my own breadboard. Let's go ahead and start the process on how to make a breadboard first.
I'm Dr. Dick Peeves, and I fully support and respect you viewing my channel.
I went grocery shopping a week ago. When I came home, I couldn't find the cheese. I was certain I bought cheese. Oh, no matter. Well, I got some more cheese. Then I went out in my trunk today. Cheese. Oh, man. It's so squishy.
You see here, this is perfect. We got all the holes we need so we can start adding our solder pads to our breadboard. Perfectly done on the bottom, nothing wrong with that. Now let's get the most important part of our build.
Okay, let's analyze this cheese, because this is the worst thing I've ever seen. This is no queso either. This is God's honest cheese right here, straight out of the teat of a orange cow. Look at that, it's got a butthole in it from where I put my finger. Anyway. Let's take a whiff of this thing. Oh no. Oh no! It's like the cheddar smell, but 800 times stronger.
Alright, we're back. We're gonna get our breadboard ready. And here we go. Let's get our secret ingredient. It's fucking bread. You fucking serious?
Yo, I don't know what the fuck you was thinking that I was gonna do in this motherfucking video. I was gonna make a motherfucking breadboard PC? What the fuck were you thinking? You think I was gonna make that shit from scratch and then it was gonna fucking work? That I was gonna make some fucking shit? No! It's fucking bread! And board! That's the joke! Fucking bread! Board! Breadboard, motherfucker! It's bread and a fucking board! I am back on my motherfucking bullshit, motherfucker!
Subject was left in a hot trunk for over a week. Note the boiling spots, the moisture on the outside of it. Barely. Looks like condensation, but it's just like bubbles of cheese sweat underneath the skin of the cheese. note where I stuck my finger in it earlier and it still hasn't even closed up around it. It's so jelly. Starting my first incision. Oh man, that cuts way too easily for cheese. Oh no. It smells bad. The flies are already moving in. Look at that. On the inside, it's got that texture of when you microwave cheese for too long and it turns into that slightly yellower sludge.